Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Jackie Sun. I'm a second-year PhD student from AIS department at Rutgers. And it's my great honor to show you our project in CarLab that we've been working for a long time. And the project name is Public Interest Explorer, Harassing Text Mining and Large Language Models for Enhanced Public Interest Oversight. This project is accomplished by Professor Moffitt, Professor Vasarhelyi, and Qingman and me from Rutgers University, and Greg from Florida State University. And this give you a taste of this project. So generally speaking, we want to identify and collect and analyze public interest information from open source from the whole internet. And we want to do it very efficiently, quickly, very fast, and we want to do it automatically. And I'm gonna show you how we do that. Give you a little background of this project is we work this project with the Public Interest Oversight Board, that is PIOB. PIOB's mission is to provide independent oversight of the activity of the IAASB and the IESBA. It is supported by AFAC to ensure that they align with the public interest. So the critical task for PIOB is to obtain accurate, a big picture of public interest. So imagine if you are a board member of PIOB, how are you gonna do this task? You're probably going to Google search to put in different topics of public interest one by one, goes through tons of websites, spend a lot of time and energy to read all the documents. And it's already a headache to go through all the documents, not to mention to summarize, to analyze, and to write a report, or even share with your colleagues or report to your boss. So how can we do that efficiently, not become a headache for you? Here's our solution. There's our project. We want to supply PIOB with online source information regarding the public interest in the field of auditing standards in a more efficient way. And to reach that, we scrapped 13 websites, and we got more than 14,000 documents from these websites. And these websites are given by PIOB. These are reliable sources for public interest information. For example, European Security and Market Authority and Council of Institutional Investors and PCAOB. We got some common letters and media release and annual reports and inspection reports from this website, a lot of types. And most of them are like PDFs or TXT files. So we need to first pre-process all these documents into plain text so that it's easier for you to search, to read. And we store these files into our database. We also build a user-friendly application for researchers to search and retrieve all the documents. And here I'm gonna show you our website, our Public Interest Explorer. This is so here, if you want to search for some certain topics of documents, you can search by year, maybe 2023. All these topics we listed are given by PIOB. They think these are the popular topics that are of public interest. And give you an example like sustainability. And we select all the source. These sources are the source websites we first scrapped our documents. And you can always click this question mark to see the introduction of each website. And now we start searching. And now here list all the documents that contains to the topic of sustainability. And you can sort them by year, by sources, by number of sentence, and by relevance. So here the audit relevance score, we calculated by using a dictionary that contains all the accounting and auditing terms. So the higher, the more terms the contents in this documents, the higher score it will get. And you can always like clean one or two or several documents for more details, like open the files. And here, you can see the sentence in the documents that are relevant to our searching topic, that is sustainability, are displayed in red. And we also provide you the sentence before and after it to give you a more complete content to help you understand the document, what it's talking about. And you are always encouraged to click the title of the reports. It will link you to the source report, source documents. You can look into it for more details, more information if you really want to read it. And you can, if after you read the sentence or the source document, you decide, okay, this document, this sentence is relevant to my research, you can mark it as relevant. And then go to the end of this website. You can export them. You can save first because you just clicked. You just mark the relevant document. And then you can export sentence as Excel file. Here you can see this. So the sentence that is relevant to sustainability now is already got exported. And the sentence that you just marked as relevant is now become 1 instead of 0. The variable of 1 or 0 may be useful, may be helpful for your research. Now, is this the end of our project? Of course not. And with the help of OpenAI and ChatGPT-4, we found that we can help PIOB even further. We can summarize all the relevant topics and sentence into from different organizations into one report. In another word, we can take some piece of information from different sources and put them into one document. Now I'm going to show you the reports we have generated, which are listed in our website. Here, example is ESMA, European organization. They published 50 documents in April of 2023. And we want to see what are they talking about in this 50 documents. And we scan all the 50 documents for topics and relevant information and summarize into reports. And how we gonna to do this? We first use ChatGPT-4 to turn our natural language question into SQL code. For example, you can ask for 2023 April, give me the topics and the sentence that are from documents published by ESMA. And then the ChatGPT-4 will generate you some SQL codes. You don't need to understand it. You just put the result, feed it back to ChatGPT-4, and then it will give you a summary of the sentence, and generate a report. And with some little coding magic, you will get a nice PDF that are okay. I'm gonna show you this PDF. So it has a Rutgers header and some and a disclaimer at the end of this report. And I can see the topic is attached to each little title of this report. Now, you know, for sustainability topic, Asma talked about innovation and sustainable practice in investment management in the 50 reports, in the 50 documents. Now you don't have to read all the 50 documents to see what they talk about for sustainability. You just need to read this short paragraph and get the main idea. And you can also, but you can still tell your boss that you spent 50 hours on writing this report. And if you get a promotion, you don't need to thank us. And that's the same for each topics like ESG, like governance, like technology, and etc. And in this way, you can generate as many as you want, as many reports you want from our database. And you don't even need to like know a lot about coding. You don't need to understand the SQL code. You just need to use your natural language to tell your database of what kind of data, what kind of reports you want to summarize from the tons of documents. And it will give you a very clear, nice, and readable report. And this is how we make our data talk to us. Thank you.